Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about Shady Android launcher. It's nice, simple and customizable Android launcher. So let's start with the video. Open Google Play Store. Search Shade Launcher. Here is the launcher. Install it. About this app. What's new? Here is about this app. Different features: adaptive icon pack, smart Unread, categories, plugins, shortcuts and others. You can read it yourself. Launcher is installed now. Open it. Here is how it looks like. It's the home screen. Here it shows the apps, favorites, social, utility and others. Here are the wallpaper. Select any wallpaper. Widgets. Add widgets on your screen. Home settings. Notification dots. Home screen rotation. Themes. Icon pack. Search widget. Feed provider. Grid division. You can customize your launcher. So this was all about this launcher. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.